everyone! We're back in another CJ's Awesome World, and today we're going to make a mango Filipino float. We need honey made crackers, some mangoes, la lechera, and cream. To put the cream into the mixer. Careful not to spill. Okay. Now we're going to put the condensed milk into the bowl.
Cream, yeah, in the bowl.
Now we're going to layer the graham crackers into a nice cake. Ugh, chewy.
She wants to be part of it. Put it on.
Okay, now we're going to put the cream on top of the crackers. Why am I whispering? I'm going to put more layers again. Put mango on top. I'm going to put more layers of graham crackers. Let's put more mangoes on this. Now we're going to put all the cream onto the on top. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Now we're now mushing the graham crackers on for the top. Mush. Now we're going to put this on top. Why is it small?
Some are small.
Here's my dessert.
We're gonna put it in there.
Now we're going to put it in the refrigerator for overnight, and then it will be ready to be eaten.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye.